Knowing your product's profit margin is the difference between making money and losing money on Amazon. And if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to calculate your profit margin step by step, so you'll know exactly how much you're making after all your fees and costs. I'll break it down on screen and give you a simple way to make sure that your products are actually profitable. So, let's get into it. In order to calculate a product's profit margin, you first need the cost of goods from a manufacturer, you need the shipping cost per unit, and you also need the Amazon FBA fees per unit. But in order to calculate the Amazon FBA fees, you first need the final package weight and package dimensions of your product. And in order to get this, you have to start contacting manufacturers to get quotes. But once you have all that information, we can now calculate our profit margin using the Amazon FBA fee calculator. And I like to do this before ever placing a bulk order to make sure that my product is able to achieve at least 30% margins after FBA fees, cost of goods, and shipping. So to find our profit, we would want to take our selling price that we were going to sell the product for on Amazon and subtract that by our all-in costs. So our FBA fees, cost of goods, and shipping per unit, and that would give us our dollar profit amount. And in order to calculate our profit margin percentage, we would take our dollar profit amount and divide that by our selling price, and that would give us our profit margin percentage. Now to get our Amazon FBA fees and our final profit margin, we're going to be using the Amazon FBA fee calculator, also known as the revenue calculator. What we would want to do now is plug in our final package dimensions and weight of the product that we got from our manufacturer. Keep in mind right here the unit of measurement. It's either going to be in inches and pounds or centimeters and kilograms. So let's say that we had a product that was 12.6 inches by 9.45 inches by 9.45 inches, and the weight was 3.86 pounds. We would then want to select the category that the product that we wanted to sell is in. So let's say for this one, it was in the home and kitchen category. We're also going to set what we want to sell the product for. So let's say we were selling this one for $59.99. And then for shipping charges, I'm going to set this to 0 and then click estimate. Here, Amazon is going to give you a breakdown of your Amazon FBA fees for the product. So we see our Amazon fees, which is $9.99. This is a flat rate fee that all sellers get charged just for utilizing Amazon's platform. And then we have the fulfillment cost and storage cost, which this is for Amazon to store all of your inventory, and it's also for them to pick, pack, and ship that order directly to the customer. And this also includes the shipping charge. And then keep in mind that the storage cost right here is per unit per month. And as we scroll down, we see this section here, units to inbound or inbound placement options. And it gives you 3 different options: minimal shipment split, partial shipment split, and Amazon optimized shipment split. This essentially is a fee for how your product is shipped to Amazon. So if you only ship your products to one fulfillment center, then you're going to be charged a higher inbound placement fee. We see $270 here. If you send your inventory to 3 fulfillment centers, we see a lower inbound placement fee of $157. And then if you split it to 4+ locations, we see that it completely voids the inbound placement fee, making it 0. And this is regarding sending your product directly to Amazon's fulfillment centers, whether you're sending it from your manufacturer to Amazon or from your house to Amazon. I personally try to go with the Amazon optimized option so that I can void the inbound placement fee. But in order to see if you're able to do this, or if you've ordered enough units to do this, you would want to create a mock listing on Amazon and then go through the process of creating a shipment to see if this option is available. Now, once we've set that, you're going to see these 2 sections here: miscellaneous cost and cost of goods. This is where you're going to want to input the cost of goods that you got from your manufacturer. So let's say that we got this product for $9 a unit. And then for miscellaneous cost, this is where I put my shipping per unit. So let's say per unit we were spending $3 on shipping. That would leave us a net profit on this product of $23.95 and a net margin of 39%. And I can't stress this enough. Make sure that you calculate this before ever placing a bulk order, because some people will just go order a product, they don't calculate their numbers, and then all of a sudden they're like, Amazon takes too much money in fees. And I'll ask, did you calculate your margins before placing your bulk order? And the answer is almost always no. And just a side note, on the left here, this is for Amazon fulfillment, aka Amazon FBA. But if you were shipping your products yourself and doing Amazon FBM, you would use this calculator here, and you can see the Amazon fees, and you just see that there's no fulfillment fee or storage cost. But there you have it, how to calculate your profit margins like a pro. But if you want to learn my exact tips and strategies, how I scaled multiple successful brands on Amazon, be sure to check out the AMC Masterclass Mentorship program linked in the description of this video. If you've ever been interested in selling products on Amazon or to have me as a mentor, this program is for you. But on that note, everybody, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And as always, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen.